What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of, as always, Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an aloe vera water, gel, and a mask. Keep watching. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start with the ingredients that you'll need to make these three products. You'll first need a water bottle. You'll also need an applicator bottle. And lastly, you're going to need some type of jar that's lying around your house. You'll also need almond oil, rosehip seed oil, black Jamaican castor oil, regular castor oil, and this is optional, the Ayurvedic oil from Shar Naturals, and also optional is the overnight mask from Mael. Let's go ahead and start off by peeling off that sticker. I am going to cut off the white part of the aloe because we won't need that. Now go ahead and cut off a nice sized chunk. Be careful with the ends, guys. You're going to want to cut those off because they are pretty sharp and prickly. Now, I did try to go in with a knife to peel off to get to the aloe vera. However, I just went in straight with my hands. I wanted to see what was easier, using a knife or using my hands. In this demonstration, I'm using my hands. Okay, so next is the fun part. You get to peel the aloe vera from the actual skin. Go ahead and take your spoon and just do as I'm doing and try to get all of it out. You can use aloe if you're looking to just promote your hair growth. This also strengthens the hair strand and repairs the hair strand from within. Go ahead and take your aloe vera and pop it right into your blender. I am going to add 1/2 cup of water to this, and then I'm going to blend for 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and use a plastic baggie to safely get the mixture into the bottle without any spillage. And guys, there you have it. That is your aloe vera water. You can use this to moisturize your hair on days 2 and 3 or however you feel like using it. Let's go ahead and start preparing our mask. We're going to add in all the oils that we talked about in the beginning. Now, black Jamaican castor oil is boiled, ground, and then used in a cold press, while castor oil is just cold pressed. You're going to want to add in all those oils so we can start the mixture. Go ahead and take another chunk of your aloe. Again, be very careful with the edges as they are sharp. You're going to want to just cut those off. Now this time I am using the knife because I want to see the difference between using my hand. The knife glided a little bit more easily, so I did like that method better. And this is so mesmerizing. Look at this spoon as I peel off all the aloe. Aloe vera has everything from sugars, minerals, enzymes, vitamins, and fatty acids. I can go on and on. Go ahead and pop that right into your blender again, but this time we're going to go ahead and pulse for 30 seconds. By pulsing the aloe, the mixture becomes light and fluffy. And pause. Okay, I made a big mistake. Before you move on to the next step, you're going to want to strain your mixture with a cheesecloth, pantyhose, or stocking. And play. If you don't strain your mixture, you'll get white flakes in your hair and it'll be harder to wash out. Go ahead and add in that overnight leave-in conditioner from Mael or whatever deep conditioner you desire and start to whisk it together until it becomes a fluffy like mask. I'm going for like a gooey consistency, but because we added in that deep conditioner, it's going to be creamy. Look at that, guys. I don't even think there's anything like this consistency on the market. Now you're going to want to go ahead and take your jar and just transfer your mixture into your jar. Be sure to stay tuned until the end so I can show you a live demonstration on my talent with all the products we made. There you have it. That's your homemade mask. And last but not least, let's make our gel. We're going to use our oils that we've been using all along. Go ahead and mix those up into your blending bowl. If you like this video, please be sure to comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Go ahead and trim off those sharp edges again. I'll be using what's remaining left in the plant. Go ahead and start to peel the aloe away from the skin and put it into your mixing bowl. Transfer that into your blender, and then we're going to pulse again for 30 seconds. Start to whisk that mixture together. I'm going for an egg yolk consistency, so keep whisking until it gets light and fluffy. Now we have our cheesecloth, which I should have used with the mask as well, but that's okay. Transfer your mixture into the cheesecloth and gently squeeze out that mixture. All that will be left in the cheesecloth is the little particles that you don't want in your hair, and what's left in there is the gel, guys, and all the oils will come out too. Put that in your applicator bottle and give it a good shake. And that is how you make your homemade aloe vera gel. And there you have it, guys. That is how you make your gel, your mask, and your water from aloe vera. Now keep watching so I can do a live demonstration on my talent. Start with your bottled aloe vera water and put it all over your hair. Mix it in really well and pay attention to how the hair is starting to revert back to its natural curl pattern. Now grab your mask that we just created and you're going to want to slap that right on top of the water. This mask is so creamy, it's so gooey, the consistency is amazing. There's nothing like it on the market because there's no preservatives or all that extra stuff that we can't read on the back of the bottle in our ingredients. That's why this texture is a little bit more different, but personally I prefer it. After you coated the entire head with your mask, go ahead and put it under some type of plastic cap and let it sit. We rinsed it out after about 2 to 3 hours, and now we're going to start the styling process. We are starting with our gel, our homemade aloe vera gel. The hair is going to absolutely love this. Watch how her hair transforms and reverts back to its natural curl pattern as soon as we put the aloe vera on the hair. Go ahead and coat your entire head with this gel as we use it as a base for our styling process. Since we are going with a some up, some down look, I'm going ahead and using a edge control on her edges, and we're going to go ahead and pop the middle part into a ponytail. Now we're adding in some perm rods because this is the style that we agreed on. I'm going to go ahead and flatly roll the perm rods on the hair. We're going to put a scarf on and allow this to dry. We'll be back in the morning to take this down and show you guys the final reveal. Good morning, everyone. Her hair is 100% dry and it is time to take down the curls and unravel them. Look how pretty and shiny these curls came out, guys. And this is all thanks to our homemade aloe vera. We use the gel, the water, and the mask on her hair. I'm going to go ahead and take down all the perm rods, and then I'm going to separate each curl to give it a defined fluffy look. As I separate the curl, I am wrapping it around my finger to cause less frizz and a more defined look. We are so happy with the final results. This is her Mother's Day look, and she can go out or stay in because of quarantine and do whatever she pleases to do. We did fluff out the hair to give it a volumized look, but it's also defined and curly. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if this is something that you like and I can do more of these on my channel. Again, my name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.